Hello Primary 2, continue with Chapter 5, another new chapter, Lesson 101, 102 for the second term, Equal Parts and Fractions. A new name, Equal Parts and Fractions. Let's start. Equal and not equal parts of the shape. We can divide any shape or any polygon into equal parts or not equal parts. What is the meaning of equal and not equal? See the shapes. Shapes with equal parts. You have a circle cut into 2 equal parts. You have a square cut into 4 equal parts, triangle into 2, another square into 4 equal parts, and a circle into 3 equal parts. Listen carefully, equal parts. What about the shapes with not equal parts? You can see the green rectangle. It's not equal. It's divided into one big part and another small part. Every shape that you can see is not divided in equal parts. Pieces are small, pieces are big. This is not equal. Equal means the same part. Let's go for the next slide from your book, page 84. Directions: determine the circle is divided into equal parts or unequal. You just have to mark equal or not equal. Start with number 1. There's a small piece and a big piece. Is this equal part or not equal part? That's right, unequal part. So mark unequal parts. Number 2. The pieces, can you see them equal or not equal? They are unequal parts. That's right, mark unequal parts. Number 3, see the circle, 2 equal parts. The upper part is equal to the lower part. So mark equal parts. Number 4, a big part and a small part. Of course, this is not equal. So unequal parts. For number 5, count the pieces. They are equal to each other, so equal parts. Number 6, you see the circle is divided into, yes, 4 parts, but they are not equal. So mark unequal parts. In the next slide, what is the meaning of fraction? When I say fraction, what do you understand from the word fraction? A fraction represents a part from equal parts that consist of the whole one. What is the meaning of this? You can see 3-5. 3 over 5. That's how we say it. 3 over 5. The number on the top, it's called numerator. Numerator is the number of the parts. The dash is called the fraction bar, and the number down is called denominator. Denominator is the total parts from the whole. Denominator is the total parts of the whole. So the upper number is the part, the lower number is the total, and the middle part is called fraction bar. See this rectangle? You have 3 colored parts, and how many total parts? Count the total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many colored blue parts? 3. So when I ask you to write a fraction for this, you have also the watermelon. This is 1, and when divided into 2, you have 1 part from the top and 1 part from the bottom. A watermelon is divided into 2 equal parts. So each part is called a half. Half of the watermelon and another half of the watermelon. In the next slide, you can see a whole circle. This is called whole. A total whole 1. You can see 1 part is red and 3 parts are not colored. The fraction of the colored part is 1 over the total parts. How many parts total? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1 over 4. In word form, it's called quarter or 1/4. Begin with the 1/4 or quarter. Another way of drawing the whole is you can divide the circle into 3 parts. How many colored parts? Green, 1. And how many total parts? 1, 2, 3. So the fraction of the colored green part is 1 over 3. In another way, you can say it third. It can be said as third. In the next slide from your book, page 84, copy the information from the class chart onto the chart below. Fraction in pictures and numbers. Okay, the first circle is divided into 2 halves, 2 parts. Number of equal parts is 2. Fraction in words is half. The second circle is divided into, count how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of equal parts are 4. Fraction in words is fourth or quarter. The third circle is divided into 3 parts. Number of equal parts is 3. The fraction in words is third or 1/3 thirds. So we took numerator, denominator, and the word fraction, and fraction bar between them. This is for now. Thank you and see you next time.